Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today I'm gonna show you how can you log into your Telegram account. So you need to download the Telegram app, and after downloading just go to the Telegram app. Now here you can see in the bottom start messaging option. It is the only option here, just click on it, the blue one. So after that here you can see in the middle you need to choose your country, and under that you need to choose your phone number. Just choose your country and choose your phone number. After giving the phone number and country, just click on the blue arrow icon beside numbers. Click on yes. Here you can see I just logged in my Telegram account. So guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.